Good afternoon everyone. Myself Shashwat Verma and I am from Team 6. Today I will be saying about identification of our project. Main our project title is Parking TC. Identification in this parking system is partially due to ineffective land use planning miscalculations of space requirements during first stages of planning. So, shortage of parking space, high parking traffic and traffic congestions due to visioning search for a parking place are only a few examples of everyday parking problems. In major cities, as the development goes on, the parking generation rate increases rapidly, which was parking problem in the city. Its different causes and becomes difficult always due to nowadays we are coming with the title of Parking TC.
Good afternoon, this is Pujita from Team 6 and I am going to tell about our project, that is Parking TC. And our main objective of creating this project is to maintain the time management and improve the parking scenario, and as well as to improve the technical views. To reduce the time, and we have to use these IR sensors to detect the vehicles and presence and absence of the vehicle similarly. We have used thin film transistors, that is called TFT display, to display the status of the parking arrangement, that is whether the vehicle is there in the parking slot is or not. It shows the parking in TFT display. It shows whether the parking slot is empty or not. Whether the parking slot is empty or not, and as well as it is TFT. In TFT, it is low cost and it is very easy to use.
I will explain the reaction existing solutions of our project Parking TC. In coming to the existing solutions, we have smart parking meters, parking assets and control systems, parking guidance systems, pay and display machines. Coming to the existing solutions explanation, advanced parking systems such as automated parking or licensed parking recognition can be expensive to the small cities, and many parking system operates as standard solutions which can lead to inefficiency and the advantages and disadvantages of the park.
Myself Abhishek, I am from Team 6. In our project, user requirements are Arduino UNO, IR sensors and TFT display, bulb converter, jumper wires and 5 hours are used.
Good afternoon, this is Kushita from Team 6. Now I am going to explain about the advantages. The primary benefit of the parking lot detection system is that it eliminates the need for lead drivers to search for an empty spot manually. This saves the time and reduces frustration, especially during peak hours when the parking lot is crowded. Conclusion: overall, IR sensors offers a promising solution for parking lot detection in smart cities. Their versatility, affordability and ease of installation make them an attractive option for parking lot operators and urban planners. As technology continues to advance, it will be interesting to see how IR sensors and other smart city solutions evolve to meet the needs of our ever-changing urban environments.
The working principle of our project: whenever a vehicle enters into the parking slot, it enters while seeing the display. Wherever the slot is empty at level 1, level 0 or level 1, it go directly to there and park it here wherever the slot is empty and display here.